Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can grow channeler tree and grow a garden. Okay, let's get started. As we know that Grow a Garden has just dropped an update called Zen update. And here you will be able to grow channeler tree. And to grow the tree, you need Zen point that you can earn by submitting your tranquil fruit. And then you can talk to Zen channeler here, and then you can submit your plant, and then when you fill this Zen requirement, the channeler will grow you a tree. And as you can see, I have already gotten my tree here, and my tree is on the stage 2. And then I'm going to submit my plant. I'm going to submit all my tranquil plants. So you can only submit the tranquil plants, guys, or tranquil fruits. And to submit the tranquil fruit, you need to participate on the Zen event. And then you will have chance to get tranquil mutation. Okay, and I still need Zen. So I need to harvest my tranquil fruit on my garden. So we just need to go to our garden and check for the mutation. Okay, and the mutation will be shown by the Chinese letter. Wait, let me show you. I'm going to show you, okay, like this, guys. So this is the mutation, the tranquil mutation, and you just need to collect your fruit or harvest your fruit. Okay, and then after you unlock, after you grow the tree, you will get reward. You will be able to unlock something from the Zen shop. Okay, right here you will be able to unlock the soft sunshine, and then Zen gnome crate, and so on. You will be able to unlock the tranquil tree treasures. Okay guys, and that's all the way to grow channeler's tree and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.